Hello, and welcome to the Deliberate Dollar. Today, we're going to talk about purchasing on a budget during inflation for a family of four, an Italian meal. The average American family of four spends about $70 on dinner delivery for one night. Today, I'm going to make that same family of four people real portions, no skimping, a full Italian dinner. Pasta with sausage, roasted broccoli on the side, warm garlic bread from scratch at home for under $30. Let's get on it. This will be one trip to Giant using the current Giant flyer that's out in the Mid-Atlantic region. No coupons, no clipping, just deliberate shopping. Let's break it down. First, you're going to get your shopping list together before you go to the store. So this is what you're going to do. The first thing you're going to write down is the pasta. The current price for the pasta at Giant is the Barilla brand, 1 pound at $1.79 a box. Hunt's tomato sauce, 29-ounce can, $1.99. Hunt's diced tomatoes, 14.5-ounce can at $1.29. Italian sausage links, 1 pound, mild or sweet, your call, $4.99. 1 medium yellow onion, 75 cents. You can also throw in some fresh basil for a half an ounce at $2.99. So you're looking at a subtotal for those items for the pasta, $13.80. Now, your side of roasted broccoli. You will first get fresh broccoli crowns, 2 pounds at $1.99. It's on sale. You can get 1 garlic bulb at 79 cents, 8 ounces of Parmesan grated in a tub for $5.49. Broccoli entree side, $10.26 subtotal. Let's look at the garlic bread. You would get the French baguette in store at the bakery at $2.49. 1 stick of butter from a pack of which is at $4.99, which will be individually $1.25. Garlic bread subtotal will be $3.74. Now, pantry staples you use already in your kitchen. This is not on your receipt, but you should have some olive oil, salt, black pepper, dried oregano, red pepper flakes. Now, we're going to see how does all this add up to give you all the cost savings that you need for one night. Pasta dish, $13.80. Broccoli side dish, $10.26. Garlic bread, $3.74. Grand total, $27.80. That's $6.95 per person for a full made from scratch Italian dinner with leftovers. The Parmesan and the olive oil will both last you another week or two. You will have leftovers. This is cheaper because you have already paid the infrastructure cost. Compare that to 1 large pizza delivery at $25, no breadsticks, no side, no leftovers. Or a single trip to an Italian restaurant for 4 is easily $80 to $100 plus a tip. You're not just saving $5, you're saving $50. So my call to action for you is to get your Giant flyer, write down the meal that I suggested, look for the cost savings, and go to your local Giant in the Mid-Atlantic region. And good luck with your shopping. And in the description, there is a link to the recipe, the ingredients I just gave you, to give you more information. I'd like you to subscribe and like if you like this segment that was brought to you today. Thank you, and this is the Deliberate Dollar.